Alright, dang, my bad. This the damn. This the move right here. It's a side step. Let me show it to you. Damn, I forgot how to do it. Okay, there you go. Yeah, he can do it to any side. Damn, my bad. He can do it backwards and he can do it backwards too, like diagonally, kind of like any way you want to do it, sideways. And I do I push I push X kind of like a pump fake. What you usually do a pump fake. I hit X, and then like immediately after that, I hit turbo and either left or right. Left, you can do left or you can do right, or you can do down into the left, or you can do down into the right to do the step back part. It's a side step. So you hit X like you're gonna do a pump fake, and immediately after that you hit turbo and right or left. So you do it like that. It's like a pump fake, and immediately after that you push turbo in whatever direction you want to go. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but so I hope it worked for you. I know you do a lot of little slick moves. You might catch somebody trying to run out and block you or something. You know what I'm saying? And then just sidestep them like that, and then I don't know how you'll do it, but or you might have somebody on you and just step back and you don't even have to be dribbling to do this move. Like somebody pass you the ball, you know what I'm saying, and you just have it, you can just go straight into that move. He'll step right on back or whatever. Damn, my dude can't shoot right now. But that's what's up, Sam. I hope that shit help you out, man.